Hello, I'm down here making my giant film capacitor flag that's going to blow in the wind and generate electricity. Here you can see my progress so far. I glued down one sheet of foil. Well, first off, I cut the sides off the plastic bag, and it was one long rectangle. And then I took it and I folded it in half, so there's a loop over here. And that side's opened, and the two pieces of plastic are separated. And then I took another sheet of foil. I sprayed spray adhesive on a little bit of it, and I left a little patch of it, a strip, without any adhesive, and I put it down on the plastic bag, and then I took my foil tape and put a strip of foil tape on there, so this makes contact without any adhesive. We got our foil over here. This is where we're putting our spray adhesive on it. Every time we spray a piece of foil, we pick it up, we stick it on there, and then we get brand new fresh newspaper and lay it down so the foil doesn't stick to it. And this is going to be my third strip on one of the sides, my last strip on that side. So what we're going to do is lay it on the newspaper like that. And we're going to cover up a little bit of it so it can fit on that end perfectly. And what we're going to do is spray our spray adhesive this way on it, because if you spray the spray adhesive the other way, this will lift up and get stuck to the foil. So we're going to do it like that. Yeah, we have our little weighted stick right here. Piece of wood with weight on it to weigh down this end so I can stick the foil on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We're going to spray this foil like this. We're going to pick this up. Flip it over. Come over here. Line it up, set it in place, just lay it down like that. Now we just go like this, match it up like that, over here do this, cut it here. This tape is a pain to work with. This is actually one of my first times using foil tape. I gotta keep this from curling up. Away. And then we're gonna come down here to line this up with the edge like that. We're going to stick our foil tape on there like that. It's time for the most challenging part of the project. Alright, now it's time for the most challenging part of the project. This could make or break this project. I already glued that yardstick down on one side, and now what we got to do is put some spray adhesive on there, pick up that side over there, flip it around, and have it glued down onto the yardstick. So we have to very precisely spray the spray adhesive, and then we have to pick up that edge and loop it around that yardstick. So let's go do it. Alright, spray adhesive. I don't want to step on this. Keep it equal tension. Just flip it around. Equal tension, flip it around, place. These will stick. Now we gotta press it down. Alright, I took some pieces of fine copper like this, and I ran them to the bare foil, and I taped them to it with the foil tape. I did that on that side. I did that, and that one goes around to the other side. And I just have my twisted pair going up like that, coming through the knot, going down like that to here, going down like that on that side. And I just have two holes in the yardstick that I glued to this capacitor flag. And I just tied some simple knots and up to there to a figure eight. And I just have it hanging. Just really simple, two pieces of foil separated by the insulating plastic bag, just like that. And when it blows in the wind, it generates electricity. So let's try this thing out, shall we? 0.2, 0.3, 0.5, just like that. You see how easily that generates electricity. So anyway, kind of a really simple design. Well, thanks for watching. Please stay tuned and stay tuned for more development on this.